tornado warning for southern Orange County, northeastern Chatham County until 11 a.m. At 10:34 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Pittsboro, moving north at 45 miles per hour.
Calling it.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hill and Carrboro around 10:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Efland, Fearrington, Bynum, and Jordan Lake. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, and Orange.